Hey guys, it's Catfish back with another video, man. And guess where I'm at today? I'm in barn find / garage find Dodge Dart right now, and I'm on my way to the car wash, man. Yeah, this thing is filthy. I'm gonna turn the camera around, let y'all see how dirty this car is on the inside. I'm on my way to my favorite place right now, the car wash. But I'm gonna turn this camera around, let y'all see how dirty. Look, y'all see all that? Y'all see them seats? Y'all see how dirty this car is? This car is filthy, but it only got 16,000 miles on it. It's running good. I still got tire monitor light and a check engine light to sort out. But yeah, it got the big screen in it. Like I said, it's only got 16,000 miles on it, man. Yep. It got a sunroof up there. Yeah, sir. Yeah, we driving now, man. We are on our way to the car wash. I gotta clean this thing. When I get out the car, I'll let you see how dirty it is. Like I said, it's been in the garage for 2.5 years. And yeah. So yeah, we I'm gonna let y'all, I'm taking y'all along with me today. I'm gonna actually wash it, get Pimpin' gonna do the inside, and we gonna get this boy sorted out. Yes, sir. This thing is nasty. But it, like I said, it's been sitting in the garage for 2.5 years. So yeah, guys, we tires ride good, no bald spots or nothing. I just gotta sort out the check engine light and the tire. I know one of the tire sensors is bad, but yeah, we driving it now, guys. When we pull up, you'll see me right now. I'm about to pull up at the car wash right now. The car wash, one of my favorite places. Yeah. And then I give you guys a little walk around of the car. So, yeah, it's dirty. All right, y'all see it. We are at the car wash, and I'm gonna give you guys a walk around before I pull it in the stall, cause I gotta get some change anyway. Yeah, guys, we here. Finally got it out. Look at this thing. Look how dirty it is. It got the little chrome rims on it. Like I said, it got the interior, white interiors, two-tone, black and white, dirty. Got to get clean. But yeah, here it is. Engine got to get clean too. Look at all the dust on it. Yeah. 2.5 years in the garage. But it ride good though. Got to get that stuff off the rotors. Ain't in bad shape. I'm gonna buff it, and PIMPINTV gonna do what he got to do. Yeah. Got the 2.4 limited. Y'all see it? Yep. Y'all see it. Well, yeah, guys. This is I call it the modern day garage find. Y'all see it? Yep. And like I said, we're at my favorite place, the car wash. All right, guys. When I get done with this, I get back with you guys. All right, guys, we back. I'm starting on it right now. Y'all see it? Man, this thing dirty, man. Look at that. Look at all that stuff. I'm gonna be here a while trying to clean all this stuff up, man. Y'all saw it. It's dirty. We're gonna see how it's gonna clean up. Hold on. Let me flip these wipers up and get all this stuff out of here. I'm about to put new wipers on it. Y'all see it? All this stuff, man. Woo-wee. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put 2 new wipers on it too. It's a clean little car though, ain't got 16,000 miles on it. Alright guys, I ain't gonna bore you too much with this. I'll get back with you guys in a second. Alright guys, we back. We back, y'all. Look. Cleaned up. It cleaned up pretty good. Let me turn y'all around. Yeah, y'all see it? Look. Now I gotta dry it off. And I'm gonna take it outside and stuff see it. Yeah, it's got a couple of scrapes I gotta fix, but other than that, it's pretty good. It came out pretty good. Yeah, we jumping back inside. Pull it out. Before I go through the dryer, let you guys see what it look like outside. Then I'm gonna go through the dryer. Like I say, guys, it came out good. You know, I'm gonna buff it and everything, but let's see all that dust gone. I got a couple scratches I gotta fix. One right there. One right there. Y'all see it. But all the dust came off though. I got a lot of work to do still, guys. But yeah, not too bad. All right, I'll get back with you guys in a second. Hey guys, we back. Look at the engine compartment. It still needs a little work, but it came out pretty good. I still got a lot of work to do on this car, but the engine came out pretty nice. And guys, I put a little of my secret potion on this fender just to see how it's gonna come out, so I can give you guys a little insight on how it's gonna come out. So check this out. This just by hand now. Y'all see it? It's just by hand. I'm buffing it, but I just wanted to let y'all see how the whole car gonna be when I get done with it. Y'all see it? That's just a little piece of the fender. Yeah. So y'all see it? See? That's just the fender. Just the top of the fender. I just did that by hand. But I'm actually gonna buff the whole car. Yeah, guys. This thing is gonna turn out real nice. Got a lot of work to do yet, but it's gonna come out nice. Y'all see? Y'all can see me. Look. Y'all can see me. And you go to this over here, you can see me, but it's not shiny. It's not glossy. But yeah, I still gotta buff this, but I just want to let you guys, give y'all a little quick overview of what she gonna look like when I get done with it. And then I'm Pimpin' gonna do the inside. I'm finna take it home now and have him knock the inside off. Like I say, guys, the insiders need some help. Y'all see it? Y'all see that? Stain right there, stain right there, stain right there, stain on the bolster. Yeah, look at it, look. Definitely gotta vacuum it. The back seat ain't that bad, but the front seat, we gonna do the whole thing. So yeah, guys, just letting y'all see what she gonna look like. This is what she gonna look like when I get done right here. When I look down the side, you can see the difference. All right, guys, I'll get back with you guys when I get this thing to the house. Guys, I had to show you this. You know, the car wash is right by a bank. And look what just pulled up. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, she's pretty, huh?
What year is that?
It's a 68.
68 Thunderbird, guys. Look at that.
Yeah.
Man, guys, you never know when you come to the car wash what you're going to see. Look at this thing right here. Woo-wee. Thing is nice, boy. You welcome. Man, guys, look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Thank you. She got a couple problems, though.
That's okay. It's an old car. What you want? What you gonna do?
Exactly, right?
What you gonna do? But hey, guys, like I say, look at this. Like I say, you never know what you're gonna see. All right, guys, I'll get back with you in a second. Hey, guys, we back, and guess what? The modern day garage find is done. Man, yes, sir. It came out beautiful, guys. Check it out. There it is. It came out so good, man. Y'all see it? Limited 2.4. Dodge Dart. Yep. Oh, this thing came out nice, man. I couldn't be happier. Y'all look. PIMPINTV on the ones and twos on the interior. Y'all know what's up. Y'all know who did the interior, man. Door jambs, side panels. Look at this. Would you look at this? As Bernie Mac would say, man, this right here, guys, is where there's nothing you can do about that. But look at this. Look how it came out. I couldn't be more happier. But you know how we do anyway. Yeah, guys. The little modern day garage find came out beautiful. I'm gonna let y'all see the engine one more time. Y'all see it? Look. Look. There it is. Man, this thing came out beautiful. Which y'all know how I do anyway. I don't mess around. Y'all see it? And it runs good too. I just got one wheel sensor that I got to source out, and I got to take it to my mechanic, One Stop Muffler and Brake over in East Chicago, Indiana. Area code 219-398-6767, and had him sort out the check engine light. Other than that, she's done. She's done. Yes, sir. I am really happy because I didn't know how it was going to turn out. The paint's pretty decent. And like I said, we did our thing. So, yeah, guys. Whew. Been working on it for a minute, but it came out real nice. I can't complain. Let y'all see that inside one more time. Look at that pretty white interior, man. Smell good, too. I wish y'all could smell it. Headliner, sunroof, everything. Like I say, Pimpin' did his thing on the ones and twos. All right, guys. That's going to close this edition of Catfish Corner out with the modern day barn find that sat in the garage for 2.5 years. All right. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.